In this video, I'll be bikepacking a mountain bike route that I found on trail forks. It's a 20-kilometer loop up 450 meters of elevation to Sheilds Lake in Sooke Mountain Provincial Park. Most of the segments were rated as purple or green. I'd estimate that about 90% of the ride up to Sheilds Lake was rideable with my fully loaded bike, and that about 60% was rideable on the loop back. As you will see, there were several washed out sections and a fairly steep pitch with some baby head-sized rock. The round trip was just under 100 kilometers back and forth to Victoria. I'll link my Strava segment and the Trail Forks map in the description. So we're currently biking to Sheilds Lake. Shield Lake? Sheilds Lake. On an old fire road. Got my fishing rod strapped to the back. Gonna try and do some trout fishing tonight. So this is my setup for bike fishing. I've got a strap around my seat bag post there, then a little bungee type cord keeping that in place, and then just another mounting point to the bag as well, and it's pretty stiff, pretty solid. Just arrived at Sheilds Lake. Gonna go try our luck at catching some fish. No fish today, not even a bite. So we started our way down the parking lot and then worked our way up this old fire road. And now we're gonna head back in a loop the other way. And I got two options. I can take a black diamond, or it looks like this green Grass Lake trail. I think I'll probably take the Grass Lake trail. So most of the trail from northwest of Sheilds Lake was a lot of hiking over a flooded out, washed out road. There's certainly some really good up and down sections that are reasonable, and now that I'm on the Grass Lake trail, things really cleared up.
Looking really solid for ride home. I lied. It got much worse to descend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you want to see more content. I will be bikepacking the length of Vancouver Island shortly via gravel and logging roads, and will be sure to make a few videos on that.